Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will study Chapter 20 Patterns. Chapter 20 Patterns from Art and Activity Skill Book. From Art and Activity Skill Book. Take out your yellow and orange color book. Take out your yellow and orange color book fast. Now look at here. Complete the picture by drawing different patterns on the pot using crayons as shown. Now tell me, what is this? This is pot and this is rat. This is rat. Now, first of all, take out your pink color crayon. Okay? Take out your pink color crayon and start doing with me. First of all, mix this this means sleeping line, sleeping line, standing line, standing line. Okay? Again, where you want this, sleeping line, sleeping line, this, then sleeping line and sleeping line. Completed fast. Next turn is of triangle. Next turn is of triangle. Then make a triangle. That start doing dance. Okay? Completed. Next turn is of circle. Next turn is of circle. Now start making circles. Do it neatly and properly. Start making circle. We have completed the pot. Do it fast. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Happy learning. See you soon. Bye-bye.